Alright guys, so my YouTube feed that I was trying to do earlier got cut short, so this video will probably be uploaded tomorrow. Sorry that video was not as good as I was hoping it was going to be, but you know what? So is life. The bat on the truck, if anyone asks, yeah, it was dead. Alright, that's why I didn't try to go to save it or anything. It was long gone. Didn't know I hit it. If I did, it wouldn't have done anything, even if I did pull over. Alright. Anyway, long story short, let's get off that one. My birthday had just passed, guys, so you know what? I am now another year older, and a day older by the time you guys watch this. A day or two older. Anyway, so yeah, there's that. I'm planning on, or I would like to go down to New Mexico. Not New Mexico, Mexico. I go down to McAllen a lot, as some of you guys might know. I go down to McAllen a lot, and sometimes Laredo. I know there's some of y'all that watch my channel that live down there. It'd be kind of cool if we could plan a trip going over to New Mexico. Partly because I don't know any Spanish, so me going down there, yeah, ideally I would rather go with somebody that knows some Spanish and also knows the area, you know, knows the good places to get some food. And it'd be kind of cool to hang out with some people, maybe do some drone footage, do some GoPro footage, and have some fun on a 34-hour reset. Just a little day excursion across the border. You know, I do have my passport in the truck, so it'd be fairly easy to do. But anyway, student, like I was saying in the last video, he had to take off, so I'm hoping he comes back and is ready to go back to work. But depending on the situations that he's having over at the house, can depict on if he comes back or not. I'm thinking he's going to come back though. He wants to get his hours done. He wants to upgrade. He wants to go. I'm also going to try to reach out and talk to Jerome, my first student. Might try to do like a phone interview with him, just kind of talk to him, get you guys abreast on how he's doing, what he's thinking, feeling, whatever. Let me know if that's something you guys might be interested in. I can try to keep up with some of my students with that. The one before the one I got now, Hunter. So that would be Frick. I know his name. I'm just having a brain fart today. Oh my god, he's gonna watch this video and he's gonna laugh at me. But I'm gonna probably reach out to him as well, because he is a YouTube subscriber of mine. He does Quincy. No, not Quincy. Quentin. He watches my videos, and he's also a YouTube subscriber who ended up on my truck and had upgraded from my truck. And I've been talking with him off and on, touching base with him. He's been posting some photos, and he's been loving life. So I might reach out to him here in the next week or so, kind of after he gets his 1 month down, being on his own. Good, bad, and different. We'll talk to him, possibly, if he wants to, which I don't. I think he will. There's some other things that come up. Oh, my Alienware laptop has everything, but it does not have a slot for a USB card. I kind of knew that when I bought it, but at the same time, I'm kind of like, really? You don't come with an SD card slot? So I can't use my handheld camera, so I'm having to use my, basically the GoPro and my phone, which is what I'm using right now, to record my videos, which I really like that handheld, recording one, just because it does really high def video, not 4K. I do want to try to pick up a 4K camera and not just the GoPro, but y'all, I've spent way too much money trying to build my YouTube channel. And talking about YouTube channel, I'm absolutely shocked that there's as many of you guys that watch my channel. My channel has grown drastically. I'm glad that you guys enjoy the content I make. I appreciate it. But I gotta cool off on buying. I mean, that laptop cost me a lot, but I'm going to try to get some 4K video edited from my trip down to South Padre. Have not been able to render it due to the fact that my last computer couldn't do it, but I still haven't gotten all the video editing over onto this laptop and blah, 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 blah. I'm going to try to get that set up and done on my home time and get an SD card slot from store, so that way I can, you know, use my SD cards and make life a little bit easier for myself. Also going to try to get the Samsung 360 camera set back up on the dash right over here somewhere, like right over there, right above the computer. I haven't done it yet. I know some of you guys have been really asking for it. It's, you know, as a matter of fact, it's literally sitting in this cabinet right about here somewhere. It's where it's at. I just haven't had time to be able to get the mount, tape it up, and blah. I've been really stressed out lately. So, sorry. I need to catch up. Yes, I know. Yeah, I got some backup videos I'm going to try to do. I haven't done that many drone footages. But with the upgrade computer, I'm really going to be able to start doing some of that. I did not think I was going to have such a problem with my last laptop setup, which is in the backpack right there. I'm going to give that laptop to my mother. The one that she has isn't working very well. This laptop is good, just not for video editing. And then I have another YouTube subscriber. He has a YouTube channel. We'll put the link down in the description. But he could use a newer desktop system, workstation. And I just so happen to have one that should work out really well for him. So if you're watching this video, I'm probably going to try to reach out to you on Facebook, so you know I can get your shipping information, so I can get that shipped out to you just to help out your channel. So yeah, and you get the shout out. So your channel is much bigger than mine, but oh well, it don't matter to me. You know, when you're doing this trucking thing, you come across some really cool people. I like it. That, and today I had another guy. I was over at the Lancaster terminal, and sorry man, I didn't catch your name. You should have, you know, stuck around and talked. I guess you were had to get back to your mentor's truck. But this guy just walks up to me and he's like, "Hey," you know, shook my hand and stuff. I'm kind of like confused. He's like, "I know you from your YouTube channel." I'm like, "Holy crap!" You know, that's like the 7th or 8th guy that has done that. And that's just really cool in my book. You know, when I started my channel, I didn't think I would have 1,000 subscribers. Or in the last month, I've gotten over 100 new subscribers. In the last month, guys, last month, wow. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to start really working on trying to get more money coming into the door. This month, I was hoping I was going to be right around 9,000, but with my student issues going on, I might be a little bit under. But I should still be well in the 8,000 this month. So we'll just have to kind of watch and see. It also depends on how much home time I end up taking. You know, I've been working pretty hard lately. But talking about working hard, I got some... I'm going to start working on trying to get my other business going. I don't think I'm going to do it this year. I don't think it's going to start this year. I think it will start next year. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that, guys. But I'll keep you guys abreast or aware that. But I really want to get back into auto financing. You know, there's a lot of good money to be made. And there's a lot of people out there who could really use the help. And so I'm hoping to be able to do that. So if you live in Texas and you need an auto loan, you know, I am a licensed auto lender in the state of Texas. So, you know, I'm looking to get back into doing that here shortly. Anyway, that is 10 minutes of this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. I got new content coming all the time when I can. See ya. Have fun. Later.